What's going on, family? Black Phoenix at the headquarters right now, and I am cooking one of my favorite dishes, salmon. And I'm gonna show you how I lay it out, so if you wanna ever cook salmon on a grill and you need a good recipe, you can use Black Phoenix recipe from Hog On. So I'm gonna show you how I break it down, and then you can add what you like, but this is how I do it and the ingredients that I use. Check it out. Okay, so this is my salmon. I got my dill, my feta cheese, olive oil, garlic pepper, salt, pepper. Put all my ingredients on there. What's going on? And I got my shrimp that I'm gonna throw on the top of it. So that's how I set it up. And right now I got my rice and broccoli over here on the grill. Baby just coming in. So this is how I set it up.